Mobile, Alabama is the perfect location for your next bathroom renovation project, offering top-notch walk-in shower installation mobile services. Our team specializes in custom shower design. Mobile, Alabama, ensuring your new shower fits your style and needs. Whether you're looking for a complete shower remodeling or just a shower upgrade, Mobile, Alabama Shower Remodeling Services have you covered. For those in need of shower door installation, Mobile, Alabama, our experts provide seamless and efficient service. We also offer Mobile, Alabama shower enclosure installation to enhance the aesthetic and functionality of your bathroom. Our shower glass installation, Mobile, Alabama, ensures a sleek and modern look, while our shower caulking, Mobile, Alabama services guarantee a watertight seal. With our expertise in walk-in shower installation mobile, we transform your bathroom into a stylish and functional space. Tile shower installation, Mobile, Alabama is a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and style. Our Mobile, Alabama shower wall panels come in a variety of designs to match your bathroom decor. For a complete transformation, consider our shower base installation, Mobile, Alabama services, which provide a sturdy foundation for your new shower. Additionally, our walk-in shower installation mobile services ensure a seamless and efficient process from start to finish. Shower plumbing is a critical component of any bathroom renovation, and our Mobile, Alabama shower plumbing services ensure everything runs smoothly. We also specialize in shower waterproofing, Mobile, Alabama, to prevent leaks and water damage. If you're experiencing issues, our shower leak repair, Mobile, Alabama services are just a call away. Our walk-in shower installation mobile services further enhance your bathroom, providing both comfort and functionality. Safety is a priority, and our shower accessibility features, Mobile, Alabama, make your bathroom safer for everyone. We offer a range of shower safety features, Mobile, Alabama, including grab bars and non-slip surfaces. For those looking to personalize their space, our Mobile, Alabama shower customization services allow you to create a shower that reflects your unique taste. Our walk-in shower installation mobile services include various accessibility options to suit all needs. Shower head installation, Mobile, Alabama is another service we provide, offering a variety of options to enhance your shower experience. Our Mobile, Alabama shower drain installation ensures proper drainage and prevents clogs. Regular maintenance is key, and our Mobile, Alabama shower maintenance services keep your shower in top condition. With our walk-in shower installation mobile expertise, we guarantee a hassle-free and high-quality installation. If your shower is outdated, consider our shower replacement, Mobile, Alabama services for a fresh start. Our Mobile, Alabama shower upgrade services can modernize your bathroom with the latest features and designs. For minor fixes, our shower repair services, Mobile, Alabama, address any issues quickly and efficiently. Trust our walk-in shower installation mobile services for a stylish and contemporary upgrade. Shower liner installation, Mobile, Alabama is an excellent option for those looking to protect their shower walls. Our shower fitting, Mobile, Alabama services ensure everything is installed correctly and functions properly. With our expertise, your bathroom renovation, Mobile, Alabama, will be a success, providing you with a beautiful and functional space. Walk-in shower installation mobile services are designed to meet all your renovation needs with precision and quality. In conclusion, Mobile, Alabama offers a wide range of services for all your shower needs, from installation to maintenance and repair. Whether you're interested in a custom shower design, Mobile, Alabama, or need shower leak repair, Mobile, Alabama, our team is here to help. Trust us for all your shower remodeling and bathroom renovation needs in Mobile, Alabama. Our walk-in shower installation mobile services are second to none, ensuring a flawless upgrade to your bathroom. For top-notch walk-in shower installation, Mobile, Alabama, our expert team provides unparalleled service. Specializing in shower remodeling and bathroom renovation, we ensure your custom shower design meets all your needs. Our Mobile, Alabama shower enclosure installation and shower door installation services are second to none, offering both style and functionality. Mobile, Alabama shower plumbing services are essential for a seamless bathroom renovation. Our team excels in shower waterproofing, Mobile, Alabama, ensuring your shower remains leak-free. We also offer shower base installation, Mobile, Alabama, providing a sturdy foundation for your new shower. For a sleek finish, consider our Mobile, Alabama shower wall panels and showerhead installation, Mobile, Alabama. Our walk-in shower installation mobile service ensures an effortless and elegant upgrade to your space. Shower drain installation, Mobile, Alabama, is crucial for proper water flow. Our Mobile, Alabama shower repair services and shower maintenance keep your bathroom in top condition. If you're considering a shower replacement, Mobile, Alabama, our Mobile, Alabama shower upgrade services offer the latest in shower fitting and technology. Our Mobile, Alabama shower glass installation adds a touch of elegance to any bathroom. Walk-in shower installation mobile services provide a luxurious and modern bathing experience. Shower caulking, Mobile, Alabama, is vital for preventing leaks and maintaining the integrity of your shower. Our Mobile, Alabama shower leak repair services address any issues promptly. For added convenience, our shower liner installation, Mobile, Alabama, provides an extra layer of protection. We also offer Mobile, Alabama shower accessibility features and shower safety features, Mobile, Alabama, for a safer bathing experience. Our walk-in shower installation mobile solutions enhance safety and comfort in your bathroom. Mobile, Alabama shower customization services allow you to personalize your bathroom to your liking. From custom shower design, Mobile, Alabama, to tile shower installation, Mobile, Alabama, our team handles every aspect of your project. Our Mobile, Alabama shower maintenance services ensure your bathroom remains in pristine condition for years to come. Trust us for all your shower needs in Mobile, Alabama, including expert walk-in shower installation mobile services.